Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. Welcome if you're new. My name is Jasmine, and for those of you that have seen my videos or subscribe, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over a different store. Today we're going to be going over those best deals for Walgreens. This will start on August 2nd, and I was able to come up with top 7 deals. So I feel like there's so many great products happening, offers happening at Walgreens this upcoming weekend. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started, I want to make it easier, even though there's only 7 deals, but I still wanted to include a printable list, and it's going to be 2 different options. That link is going to be provided below. That's going to take you to my website, and you could go ahead and print both or one of these methods. Also, any printable coupons, you could also get them in my website, excitedforcoupons.com. And there's so many great coupons here that you want to print them. You're already at the end of the month already, so you want to print it when they're no longer available. I'm excited because there's some offers in Fetch Rewards, but keep in mind, go ahead and look at your app to see if you have those offers, but some of those are going to expire on Sunday. So if you do any of those deals like Tresemme, Suave, Dove, keep in mind that those, at least in my app, they expire on Sunday. So if you need to fetch rewards, go ahead and use my referral link. Shopkick is one that I use when I walk into a store. I get points for that. Flus is another one that I've been using when I'm in the register. I'm going to go ahead and pay. I get cash back just for using this app. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to mention, keep in mind that P&G, before, years ago, we used to get back money, mail-in rebate. We used to get some gift cards, a Visa type of gift card, and but now they have been more strict, and the total has to be depending how much you spend, and that means that if they are including those coupons. So this is an item that I want you to be careful because it may be included. So in this one, Olay is going to be on special at Walgreens, and it does say that you're going to get 10,000 bonus points, which means it's going to be $10 in rewards when you buy 4. So as you see, they're 2 for 12. So once you buy 4, the total will be $24, and you're going to be using, there's a clip coupon that you see here is $2 off 2, and go ahead and use 2 from P&G as well. That way you're using a coupon for each item, and you're going to end up paying $20. And the good thing is that if you have that many points, go ahead and use them, because you're able to use those points to pay, and in order for you to get back those other 10,000 points, which is $10. This is the link, and you can find this also in the P&G book. It says that when you spend 20, you get 5. It does say that it does not include any discounts or coupons. Now, since you're getting back 10,000 points, I am not sure if that is qualified for that. So if it's not, then that means that let's say you do get back those 5 million rebate, then your total will be $5. But this is something that we're not sure yet how this one works. But if it does, it will be $5, making these items $1.25 each. Now let's go ahead and move on to Suave. Suave is a great deal. Here you see the fetch reward that I was mentioning at the beginning of the video. As you see, it does expire on Sunday, and in mine is giving back 750 points. So buy 2 for 5, as you see it here. Use a coupon that we're expecting on this Sunday's paper on the Retail Me Non, deducting 3. So you already paid $2 in the register. You could submit it to Fetch Rewards, but also checkout 51, as you see here, is giving back $2 cash back. I did this deal a few weeks back for CVS. It did take a day for me to get back the cash back, but I did get it, and I noticed that it was back up again. In my case, it's just a limit of 1. So even just getting back that cash back from checkout 51, this will be totally free. So now let's go ahead and move on with another great deal. This one is Febreeze. As you see, this one could be a little expensive, but it's going to be a special on its own for $2.99. Such a great deal on its own. But you guys have to keep in mind, there's a coupon that we're getting this Sunday in the Retail Me Non. It does say Febreeze for $2, but it does say Unstoppable, and it does include other options. So if this one right here is included, then go ahead and use the $2 coupon. If this one is not included, then you might receive the other coupon that is $1 off 1. But if it is, then from $2.99, you're gonna just end up paying just 99 cents, which it will be a great deal. Another great deal that's happening on this ad is the laundry care, and as you see, is including Purex and Snuggle, and it's letting you know the sizes that are included right underneath in the ad. And it's letting you know that these items are $2.99 each, which is such a great deal. And that means that it will be $5.90 in the register, but you're going to be using some coupons. There's one in the Retail Me Not for Purex for 50 cents and one for Snuggle for $1. Keep in mind that the one for Snuggle expires on Sunday, so you want to do this deal, go ahead and do this on Sunday. And it's also okay to pay with points. So you're going to be end up paying $4.48, but you're going to be getting back 4,000 points, which equals to $4, making it for this haul for these items just 24 cents each, which is such a great deal. Another great deal is Oral-B Dental Care. Buy two and you're gonna get back 5,000 bonus points, which equals to $5. I've seen them for $4.99, so that's a total of $9.98. There's coupons in the PNG of $2, so go ahead and use two of those, and as well you're gonna be able to pay with points for this deal as well. That will be a total of $5.98. Get back those $4. Oops, this is wrong, guys. It's $5 or $5 or 5,000 points, making it 98 cents for everything or 49 cents each. Another great deal, Crest Toothpaste. This one, it will be on special for $3.99. There's gonna be a digital coupon, so if in case you don't have the PNG, there will be a digital coupon for $3 off too. But if you do have the PNG, those are worth $2 each. So from $7.98, you're gonna pay $3.98. And as well, you're going to be able to pay with points. So you're going to pay $3.98, but you're going to get back 4 register rewards, making these items totally free. And the good thing is that once you do this transaction, you can just go ahead and use those $4 register reward for another deal. Colgate is going to be on special. Look at the special price. It's going to be for $2.99. So that will be $5.98 when you buy two. There's printables that you could print from the Colgate website for 75 cents, or you could be using the coupons that are coming on the Sunday's paper on the Smart Source for 50 cents each. So you will pay $4.48, but you will get back those 4 register rewards, as you see, for buying two, making these 48 cents or 24 cents each. So guys, this complete and conclude my video. Like I mentioned, there's so many great deals happening at Walgreens. Those printable lists are going to be provided below. Any printable coupons that you don't want to miss out is also going to be provided below. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and until the next video, bye.